We're making golden milk, and golden milk is a liquid beverage that is widely popularized historically from India. And so in this golden milk, we're using a milk substance, so you can use regular milk or you can use an alternative milk. We have almond milk, and then the golden portion is the turmeric. And so turmeric comes from a plant called Curcuma longa. Curcuma longa is actually a root, and it's in the ginger family. And so when we think about botanical medicine, we use like leaves or flowers or roots. Where turmeric is concerned, we're actually consuming the actual root of the plant. So turmeric is a widely popular plant, cultivated primarily in Asia, India, and China, and it's used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine.
Turmeric has been widely studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. A lot of the constituents within turmeric have been shown to reduce things such as interleukin-1, interleukin-6, TNF-alpha, NF-kappa beta, which are all very potent pro-inflammatory markers. In addition to turmeric, you also need cinnamon, cardamom, and nutmeg to make your golden milk. These spices are very potent antioxidants, but as well, they have properties known as carminative. Carminative basically helps to dispel gas, meaning that they're going to relieve any level of bloating and indigestion as well.
Also for golden milk or anything that you're using turmeric in, you're going to need a little bit of black pepper. And so the studies have shown that black pepper increases the absorption of turmeric in the body. And so turmeric itself is not highly absorbed. So the amount that you ingest is not actually the amount that's going to your tissues or going to be used. So when you add black pepper, it actually increases the absorption of turmeric in the bloodstream. In making your golden milk, you're going to start with your glass container and your alternative milk or whatever milk source you're using. We have almond milk. You'll just fill it about 3/4 full. And this is about 8-10 ounces. So after you have this full, you can go ahead and add your turmeric. So turmeric is a really potent spice, so you want to be mindful of the amount you put in. We say approximately a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons to start. You can always add more as you go along. You're going to go ahead and add in your cinnamon, your nutmeg, and your cardamom. And of these, you can add about a 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon, depending on the flavor profile of what you like. Adding in our cardamom. And we're going to also add just a little smidge of black pepper, and this is to increase the absorption of the turmeric. And you can add a sweetener to taste, so you can use honey, you can use stevia, you can use monk fruit, whatever you like. Just put a nice amount in there and go ahead and put your top on and shake it up. And you can always taste this as you go. So if it's not what you like, you can add more spices or more honey. You can leave this in the fridge, you can let it sit out for a little bit, but we would say drink it typically same day or next day.
Yum, really good.
That is good. It's really light too, like the turmeric is not overpowering.
Yes.
In the name of love, we fight you.